Hey guys, I got myself a Brother XM2700 sewing machine. It has 27 built-in stitches and it could do a lot of hemming and stuff. In fact, I just do hemming for my pant legs, cuffs, and everything else like that. It has a built-in free arm, which makes it extremely easy. Now, I'm modifying all these new clothes I bought that are a little too long, so I'm hemming them back. It has a built-in cutter, has a drop-in bobbin, auto threader, as well as a drop-in bobbin that's extremely easy to set up. The thread, I'm using poly thread as well as regular cotton thread, and it runs fine. And this is pretty cool. This machine actually has a metal frame and stuff, which is really cool. As you can see, 27 patterns, and that's pretty much all I need for my hemming and stuff. The drop-in bobbin is extremely convenient. It hasn't jammed once after using it for about 3 months now, and it is very, very heavy duty, even though it's very lightweight. So very, very cool. I love this Brother XM2700.